Recording for you today. Crochet tutorial for this wool hat. Crochet method using half double crochet. The crochet method is exceptionally easy. It's not stressful for newbies. The only way to start the needle is to pay attention to the way each subsequent row is crocheted in the same way. Okay, here we go. 3 balls of yarn are used. Use a crochet hook up to 6.0. Okay, let's start the needle and wind the thread. Start the chain stitch. We are crocheting 32 chain stitches. Go around. Tie a knot. Then take the yarn through the loop. It's a chain pin. It doesn't have to be tied here. Just complete the 32 chain stitches yourself. Hook another chain stitch when doing a starter pin. After that, start hooking a half double crochet. Find the back of the chain stitch at this horizontal yarn line. Crochet half double crochet here. Look at where the needle goes in is this horizontal yarn. Take these 2 yarns and put them on the needles here. Let's go around again. Pass through 3 loops of yarn together. Okay, this is our first half double crochet. You can take out our marker buttons and mark them. Mark it here. Okay, let's start the second stitch. Take the yarn out and run it through 3 loops together. This is our second half double crochet. Take a look at the front again. Pass through the back of the V at the horizontal yarn line. Bring out the yarn. Pass through 3 loops of yarn together. Okay, 3.5 double crochets. We crochet wool yarn hats. No need to carry the yarn extra tight, just loosely carry the yarn. This will give you a little fluff. Okay, we're gonna finish crocheting 32 half double crochets on our own. Flip after the last stitch a lock stitch. Turn it over and continue with the half double crochet. Pin in the center of the second V. Crochet inside half stitch. This is our first half double crochet. You can mark it. Continue with the half double crochet. Go to the center of the V. Through the yarn out of the belt. Through 3 loops of yarn. Continue winding the yarn. Insert the needle in the center of the V. Take the yarn out through 3 loops of yarn. Okay, we've got 3 half double crochets. Hook up all 32 half double crochets in this row. Okay, we're on the last stitch. That's where the markers are. Wrap the yarn through the center of the V. Last half double crochet. Okay, that's the end of the round.